the prevention of the diseases. So there are many methods of the prevention of diseases, but one by one, step by steps, if we are discussing about the prevention of disease, it will be helpful, fulfills our requirements, and also treat the disease in soon, and we can recover it. And although we know there's there are a lot of ways and tools and techniques, and medicines, antibiotics, and other medicines is also available here, having and creating better effect here in our body. But step by steps preventions, and it's step by steps applying in our body is very and must, and if we are not doing this, it caused us allergic conditions, and also have adverse effects, and create problems for the health. So we are studying here one by one, so that how we will prevent the diseases mostly. So here come to the points, and we will say prevention with the help of the blackboards. We will study that preventions of the disease. Okay. So principles of preventions. So principles of the prevention. Okay, principles of the prevention. See, here is the prevention. Due to the modern technology and advancement in the science, due to modern technology and advancement of the science, advancement of the science, advancements in science, we have antibiotic that and others medicine. We have antibiotic and other medicine to cure the disease. Okay, to cure disease, but there are a few limitations that can managed, but there are few limitations that that are managed before while the infectious disease. There are, okay, so few limitations is also available here, so without because we know that so few limitations on the other medicines disease, so that are faced while okay, that are normally faced while they are treating infectious disease. Okay, so treating infectious disease. So here is some challenges and some limitations are given here. So with the one by one, so we will discuss here point by point. So first limitations we are discussing here, that the treatment will protect, if it means that first limitation, so we will discuss here, if the treatment is happening here, the once someone has a disease, his body, once someone has disease, his body, okay, someone has disease, his body further are changed. Okay, body functions are changed. Okay, if the disease is available, yes, in the body functions has changed, and many so changed, head Vajif functions are changed and may never recover completely, and may never recover completely. So what we will do is, second point, sir, then if it's not may never recover completely, the treatment will uh, take time. So okay, so if it never recover completely, it means that the 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 treatment will take time. So, treatment will take time. Okay, it means that what means that? It means that if the treatment will take times, it means that someone suffering from a disease is likely to be someone suffering from disease is likely to be, or suffering from disease is likely to be bedridden for sometimes, even if bedridden for sometimes, even if they will recover fully recover their health. So fully recovered are treated well. Got it? So third point, if we are fully recovered, means that it will not treated well. So the person suffering from an infectious disease can serve the person suffering from infectious disease can serve someone for suffering from infectious disease. Infectious can serve as a source for further spread. Source for further spread these diseases. Okay, suffering from those persons suffering from this infection spread for infections. Okay, spread for infections means that if the person is suffering from these diseases, generally it's also infect another person. So it's a cure is necessary. So what will you do to better people to their these people's those the multiplying, so means that further suffering from people's infections to other people's, thus multiplying the infections to other peoples, because those peoples are already suffering from the disease and they spread here and there. So many diseases will also so the multiplying the difficulties mentioned above. So here is the above are multiplying difficulties. I above, so we have given that these difficulties that suffering from the different diseases that infect to the normal persons, and these normal persons are also get infected and also create a problems, and these problems these disease that was infected to those persons also during the treatments, if say proper treatment is not taking place and not taking the cares and bedridden, these persons moving to and fro here in the family and all the other group of the people, healthy persons people, so they also sneeze sometimes. They also bodies sneezing droplets of the mouth and take the breathings through the breathings, they can inspire and also release such types of the bad or infected airs that is breathe in by the another healthy persons and create a problems. These problems generally happening in day out today's in our lives, that's create a problems in our our lifestyle. So okay, thank you very much. These are the result that the infectious disease can caused by the, we have given the principles of the infectious disease here, and one by one we have discussed here the infectious disease, and here we have given that, so that you can understood it well, and try to understand that what is the principle of the infectious disease. Okay, thank you, bye bye.